Mother's Day may have passed, but this handmade gift idea is perfect anytime you want to show someone love for any occasion or any reason. I designed a 3D printed frame that surrounds a square mirror with 4 sections for completely customizable inserts. It's a simple to print, easy to assemble, and best of all, it's made to be personalized. With this design, I wanted to use words of positivity and affirmation, with some design accents to add some flair and uniqueness. Each section or insert can be customized by kids, loved ones, or just a personal project. Decorate it using paint, stickers, names, heartfelt notes, whatever. The possibilities are endless. With this project, I decided to decorate it simply by using black and white filament and adding a touch of color with another personal touch you will see later on after gluing and assembling the pieces. This makes a great project for classrooms, families, or even just a solo creative afternoon, creating something meaningful that can hold lasting memories. The back is open for availability to write names and ages if you want to make this a tradition and watch the creativity grow. You can hang them by the 2 hooks included in this print or make something to hang it from. The result is a thoughtful, sentimental gift that doesn't rely on a calendar. A gift for any reason or any occasion. It could be for a birthday, anniversary, or just because. Let me know in the comments how you'd personalize it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share with someone else who may enjoy it. Hit that like button and subscribe if you would like to see more 3D printed projects. Plus, it helps us out by letting us know what videos you like or not. We appreciate all of you. Thanks for watching.